Let me get all the stuff.
Who wants to win a Lambo? Gave you the opportunity to say it. Wow, you two.
The winner.
So people keep saying that I'm obsessed with Lamborghini. I don't know where they get that from.
Hey boss.
Hey, what's this?
Check it out.
What, the new OPPO Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition phone? It'd be rude not to. So here it is, the OPPO Find X2 Pro Automobili Lamborghini Edition. Just the covering on the box looks insane. It's very, very Lamborghini-like, which you would expect as it's a Lambo phone. So straight away, I see it's got the Epsilon. Epsilons are like little Ys that you see in all the Lamborghini cars. You can actually see them now in my own Lamborghini. It's like half of a hexagon. It's in the light, the footwell, it's the design on the outside of the car. They've obviously done that straight away. How does the box open? Lambo doors. Lambo box doors. Let me just see that again. That is fantastic. Look at that. Stylish, elegant. They've really gone all out on this. And again, even when you look on the inside, it looks like a carbon fiber effect. So what do we have in the box? You have one Find X2 Pro, earphones, Type-C cable, an adapter, a cigarette lighter, phone case. But this phone case is not normal. It's made of microfiber leather in bronze and black carbon fiber. Okay, so let's have a look at the phone. And there she is. Wow. So let's start with the detailing, or bodywork, shall we say. Let's appreciate the craftsmanship here. Reading the spec, they've actually used hot forging glass that mimics the aerodynamic lines and contours of a super sports car. Look at the curvature on this body. Aesthetically, a 4-layer black carbon fiber texture really captures the essence of a Lamborghini. It really does feel as luxury as it looks. All right, let's turn on the engine. So the phone is that good, let's really put it to the test. Let's shoot the next part of this video using the OPPO Find X2 Pro and see how good it does. So I've got two of these phones. One I'm keeping for myself, but I've got a great idea how to give away the other one. Let me get all the stuff. Sal, come out the front, please. Gina, Andrew, please, outside. By the way, I'm wearing a scarf. I've got a really bad neck, so that's why I'm wearing a scarf. They've got no idea, by the way, what's going on. Who wants to win a Lambo? Okay, maybe not a Lambo, but a Lamborghini phone. Okay, so there's a new phone out by OPPO, which they've collabed with Lamborghini, and the phone is sick. It's crazy. Gus is actually using it right now. Look at that phone.
I want that phone.
It is so high end. So it is so high end.
We've got to do 20 press-ups.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and keep it simple and try and make it fair for all of you guys. I'm going to put 3 people through, and the 3 people that go through will get a chance to play around with the phone, and then I will choose a winner. I'm going to ask one question to do with Lamborghini. Your second opportunity is going to be a question about me and my Lamborghinis. And then the third one is, if you haven't managed to get through already, there's going to be a bin. And in that bag there's vinyl all scrunched up, okay? And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to throw it into the bin. And the first person that gets it in the bin, see, Mark, I see Mark, you're doing this, but the first person that gets it in the bin gets through. So 3 of you will get through, and it's going to be 3 down to 1. The way you answer your question, your name is your buzzer. Spread out a little bit just so I can actually hear the voices. Okay, so here's your first chance to get through. Okay, remember, don't shout out the answer, shout out your name. If you shout out the answer, you're out. If you get it wrong, you're out. Okay? Right, so here's the first question. My Lamborghini Aventador is behind you. How many of those cars are made?
Andrew, Nico.
Mark's first.
600.
How many?
600.
You're out.
Pav. Kieran.
Pav?
501.
You're out.
Nico.
Kieran.
499.
You're out. Nico.
500.
500. Nico's through. Nico, you're through. You're through. 500. Wow, you two, you three.
That's a 501.
You threw it all out. Okay, the next question. They're sulking. So the next question. What was my first Lamborghini? Gina.
Gallardo.
I need the full car. I'm gonna give you one chance.
The full car? Lamborghini
there, G, go on.
Gallardo. I don't know anything else.
Bye. Spider.
All right, Gina's out. Next.
Andrew, Lamborghini Gallardo Spider.
Correct. You said it, Truth. We gave you the opportunity to say it. It's the first person to get it in. Say your name and your colour.
Sal, orange. Amen, blue.
Naomi Red.
Terry, pink.
Sal's with the grey. Chris, purple.
I thought to let Andrew take this phone and let Gus get involved as well on this one. So Andrew, take the phone. He's obviously holding the OPPO Lamborghini phone.
That's where it's gold.
So far, Nico's through, Andrew's through. I'm just going to give you some little tips here, yeah? You're all throwing. Now remember, if you're not going to be doing that, you're throwing up in the air. If someone throws it, they might get it in quicker. It's the first person to get it in the bin. It's not just to get it in. If Naomi gets it in and then you get it in, Naomi's through, the rest of you are out. This Lamborghini OPPO phone is no joke. It's expensive, it's baller, it's very, very high end. And be honest, everyone wants one of these phones. So, ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1. Shoot. It looks like it was Eamon. Silver and blue.
Yeah, that's mine, but I think Eamon's winning first.
What were you?
Yeah, blue.
Blue. You were silver. We're going to check VAR, but I think it was blue and I think it was Eamon. Wow, how good is the quality of this phone? Looking at this phone is serious quality. Right. Eamon is through. So here's what you have to do to win this phone. So this phone has got crazy spec, crazy features. The cameras, the videos are real high end. So here's what you need to do. You're gonna have 3 minutes, each person. You're not gonna be able to see what the other person is doing. I'm gonna want you to take a couple of pictures, but the pictures you take are the pictures you have to use. You can't delete. I also want you to shoot a video and a selfie, okay? You can shoot whatever you want on my car, and you got to hope that it's that cool and that baller and that amazing that I will pick you to win the phone. 3 minutes, you take your picture, you do your selfie, and you shoot a video. Right, let's have a look at this chassis. So the front panel is a 6.7-inch Ultra Vision screen, Quad HD plus OLED display that curves on the sides. I also love how the front camera is neatly housed in a punch hole on the upper left.
So first up, I'm gonna start on the pictures. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do a paddle shot. See the water there? You have to do that one, look. See this one, yeah? You have to lie down like this. Yes, it's done. Don't tell them about this one. They might have the evidence. How much I got left? 2 minutes? So
2 minutes.
Now we're gonna jump on the video.
Videos on this are next level. Obviously it can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. It has a super steady mode where the stabilization is real
We'll
smooth.
just do a little quick one of this. Yeah, boy. Ready guys, I'm gonna throw the water. Time's up. Now I'm gonna leave it to them. Thanks for the little water for me.
So I'm gonna go through a few setups. So we're gonna go with the portrait mode. I'm gonna go up there, get the whole backdrop in.
We have 3 cameras on the front. The main shooter is a 48 megapixel wide angle camera.
Basic girl selfie, yeah? I'm currently filming with this Lamborghini phone. Behind me I've got this Lamborghini. This one's fully spec'd. And this phone as well, quality on it's banging. Cheers boys, thank you.
Can't like, someone film for me. There's no rules, bro. Jump in the passenger seat. There's no rules. Jump in the passenger seat. Gus, thanks. I'll go for a video first. You're standing right here, and then basically gonna pop the doors open at the same time. Boom. Right, close the door properly. Right, so 3, 2, 1, pop the door, yeah? So 3, 2, 1, go. Thanks, Gus. That's the video. So, you got the key for this? Okay, check this one out. Okay. Photo.
Now, what I like about the front selfie camera is that it doesn't get in the way when watching videos in landscape view.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not the most creative, so whatever happens, happens, man. The camera quality on this phone is incredible, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the other boy's done, but wish him all the best. It's lunchtime, let's go.
The Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition runs on ColorOS 7.1, which is based on Android 10. Now, this Lambo version has a special supercar theme laid on top. It comes with several OPPO apps pre-installed, and other pre-installed apps include Office Suite, Netflix, and your typical Google apps. Welcome back. Congratulations for getting this far. However, there can only be one winner. I'm going to eliminate one of you straight away. Your stuff was nice, your video was good, your picture was good, but it just didn't cut it compared to the other two. So the person I'm eliminating is Eamon. Sorry, mate. Well done. So it's down to you, Nico, and it's down to you, Andrew. Here's my problem. You had an unbelievable picture. It looked like you got a professional photographer to come and take this picture. So I was like, Nico's got to win, he's got to win. But then your video, the creative, the doors coming up, I was like, Andrew's got to win. But there was nothing else that gave me the, let me push it to you, let me push it to you. Both your selfies were very similar. So we're going to go to sudden death. So I'm going to sleep on it. Okay. And tomorrow we're going to do sudden death. Cool. And you're going to go head to head. And the winner will get one of these babies. Cool. Okay? So tomorrow it is. So I'm back with Nico and Andrew, and obviously these two are the two finalists, and it is sudden death. So I've decided what we're going to do. I've got my Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster over there. So based on the fact the phone is actually called an OPPO Find X2, and that keyword in there is find, I'm going to hide the phone in my car, and then we'll see at the end who found it in the quickest time. Okay. Your time starts now. Now.
Now my life, Jan.
Oh, it's gonna be hard.
I better take the roof out.
Let me back.
Wow, this is hard.
Bang.
It was so simple. It was so simple.
Oh my God.
So that was disappointing. Took a lot longer than I anticipated.
It's difficult to find because you're rushing as well.
Open things at the same time to cut down on the time for searching for things actually worked against me.
I think I did it all right, but you know, Andrew, he always checks the car. He does the blue tape stuff. If there's any mistake on it,
I think I took far too long. I'd say Nico's probably definitely won it.
So, we have a winner. That was so funny watching that. But listen, well done, congratulations. Well done, congratulations. But there can only be one winner, and the person that is going to get this phone. All right, one of you did it in 1 minute 21:45, and the winner did it in 35.42. Nico's the winner. Congratulations, Nico. Well done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to OPPO for this opportunity. Thank you so much for my phone, because obviously I've got one, and now Nico, this is going to be your phone. So there you go.
Yeah, boy.
Well done.
Enjoy. Congratulations. So the Lamborghini version of this phone is limited edition. However, you can buy the regular OPPO Find X2 Pro smartphone in the UK, and that retails at £1,099, and that is available right now. When you put this phone on the table along with your car keys, it's a winner. And that is a wrap.